In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Slack conversation. If you need a clean copy of your Slack data for record keeping, audits, or handoffs, exporting directly from Slack is the most reliable route. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Keep in mind that some export options are limited to workspace owners or admins, and what you can export may vary depending on your plan and your organization's policies. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Look to the top left corner and click your workspace name. That opens a menu where you'll find the administrative tools you need. From there, go to Tools and Settings, then choose Workspace Settings. Slack may open a new tab in your browser for the admin area, which is normal. On the Settings page, look for Import Export Data and open it. This is the hub where you can pull information out of Slack in a structured way. Inside Select Export, you'll see options that let you fine-tune what you're capturing so you don't have to export more than you need. Next, choose your date range and any available parameters. The date range lets you zero in on exactly when the conversation took place, which can keep files smaller and easier to review. Depending on your workspace permissions and plan, you may see options to filter by channel type or other criteria. Use these parameters to target the conversation and time frame you care about while staying aligned with your organization's data policies. When your selections look right, click Start Export. Slack will queue the job in the background. Larger exports can take longer, especially if your chosen range spans busy periods or multiple channels. You don't need to keep the page open while it runs. Slack will email you when the zip file is ready to download. Watch for a message in your inbox associated with your Slack account. If it doesn't show up after a while, check your spam or junk folder. The email will include a secure link to download your export. Treat the file carefully, as it can contain sensitive conversation data. Exports are typically delivered in a zip archive with structured files you can open or analyze later. If you're sharing the export, make sure you use a secure method and only send it to people who are authorized to view it. That's all there is to it. Click your workspace name, head to Tools and Settings, open Workspace Settings, go to Import Export Data, choose Export, set your range and parameters, start the export, and wait for Slack's email. You'll have your data ready to download and use.